Hello! To share internet via hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings, then go into connections, and right here we have mobile hotspot and tethering. We can also go into this mobile hotspot options by swiping down into the quick settings panel, and right here we have the mobile hotspot icon. We have to press and hold this right here, and as you can see we are in the mobile hotspot settings. So yeah, let's go in here, and right now all we have to do is simply enable the mobile hotspot, and right here we have the network's name, we have the password, we can change it right here, and we have also the band, which band to use, and we can use from 2.4 GHz to 5 GHz and even 6 GHz, as you can see, and we can also change the security of our hotspot. So yeah, that's how to share the internet via hotspot, and right now all you have to do is simply go into the Wi-Fi settings of your device which you want to connect from, and enter this credentials, and yeah, that's how to do it. Or you can also do this by enabling the QR code of your hotspot, and you can simply scan this QR code with your device and you will be connected to your hotspot. So that's how to do it. Thank you for watching.